Well, hi all, thanks for watching. Again, lockdown, so I thought I'd do another video, and something I've been meaning to do for a while for my own benefit, as well as helping others that are thinking about buying a Tuono factory for touring on, and saying you can't get one because you can't carry the luggage. Well, I was asking the same questions, and I got told, yeah, don't worry, you can do it. And I was still a little bit nervous about it until I discovered Kriega luggage equipment, which is a really good technique for carrying luggage on all sorts of aspects of bikes. So I've already taken off the seat, or the if you like, the wing insert from the back, and I was lucky enough when I bought the bike to be given a rear pillion seat from Wheels Motorcycles. So I've already fitted that on to show you, but as you'll see, it's got a strap either side which basically bolts into the where you normally have the pillion strap to hold on to, which you can't really hold on to anyway. It just bolts into there either side, just to give you something you can strap your if you like, your lugs onto. And then the lugs at the back basically fit onto the retainer for where the seat goes. See, so where the seat clip straps onto, it just velcros in there, and then the compartment goes in there. So I've got the US 30 Kriega luggage dry pack, and believe it or not, guys, I have got in excess, I reckon, of 10 good sized towels in there, which surprised me as well. So let me just I've got to show you this as well. Actually, look at this camera stand that I've made for my phone. It's amazing what you can find. It's actually a push bike and maintenance rack. Anyway, moving on back to the video. So let me try and show you in as much detail as I can with just using my phone. So get hold of the Kriega pack onto the back of the bike, like so. Put it that way, and then all you basically do is you've got your straps come up, just up like that. Get the other strap, sorry, wrong way, up like that. Then just do the other side. Like that. And this one. And the good thing with these Kriega luggage packs is that you can attach other bits to it, so you can use modular, build it up. And then all you do is tie down, pull the tie down straps down either side, like so. There you go. Just make sure it's central on the seat. There you go. There you go, guys. Look at that. That's pretty good, isn't it, for a sports bike to go touring on? And you say you can put another modular on, so actually fits quite well. So you go, it just clips on with them, tie down, and then you get a nice equal tie down. And see, it doesn't cover any of the lights or anything off. It's totally waterproof. I need to just extend that strap around. And there you go, guys. So pretty happy with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. So I'm going to be doing some touring over to Spain, the Alps, sorry. Hopefully in September, if we get let off lockdown. So what I'll do is I'll going to get a GoPro set up ready for that, and basically start watching the videos and hopefully follow me across, see how I get on. and then start touring on your Tuono. Anyway, thanks for watching again, guys. Cheers, bye.